this is Nazia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Who are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking and subscribing, and who are already following, thank you so much for all your love and support. So, you see my attire today, and you know what is the vlog about. It's about Calvin Klein JK's collection. So definitely, I really want to do a one vlog on this, how I have survived, how I have went, and what time I have went, and how I got all these products. By the way, these all the bags are not for me only. It's for my two another three army friends who are my best friends also. So they are actually JK bias. So I am not JK bias. I'm a Jimin bias. Jimin bias. Okay. So they are JK bias and they are eagerly waiting to get this collection. I'm not sure how much they have got all these things, but definitely some of the products they really like it, and some they have to take it because there is no other option for them because it's already out of stock within 3 hours when I entered into the store. So okay, let me go into the vlog. Before going into the vlog, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, do follow my Instagram page, and like, share, and comment, and let me know what you have bought from the JK's collection of Calvin Klein. Okay, so let's so these are all the products which I have got it from CK, which is a JK's especially specialized, where he has keep all his heart, everything love towards army, towards that collection, and he has designed, he has chosen by himself. So some of his signature, as I saw in the interview, he said that he has just did some signature doodles in his iPad, and that he has mentioned in behind the jacket and behind the band, which we didn't get it. Why we didn't get it, I'll let you know on that. So these are the collections which I have got in this mine, my friend, three of friends, as I said, all of them. So let me show you one by one. Before that, I'll let you know, if you purchase around 15K of CK collection on that day when the collection has been launched, you will get a tote bag, and there is one more option. If you make more than 20K, you'll get a posters, like there are three posters. I'll post here or here or here, you can see it. You'll get random, like which one you'll get, I'm not sure, it's depend on the store. And as well as the CK stores, which they have a lot of collections of posters or bags. I'm not sure they are sending back to the CK people, but they're giving to the people who are coming, actually armies and everyone. I'm not sure. I requested a lot because I have purchased on the first day around almost like 18K, and the next day I went, I purchased almost like 25K, but still I haven't got it the poster, as because I have purchased separately because it's for three different people, so that's the reason I have to take it. But we got two tote bags which I'll show you definitely in this vlog. First collection which I'll talk about is which is I'm wearing right now. This is the t-shirt which I have got it from myself and my friend Navya, where we both got the similar one, similar design, which is has been customized. If you can see CK with Jungkook. So this one is a white shirt, and one more shirt I got it is a green one. It's like little army green type, something like a military army green, you say, no, like that. But these cloths are very stretchable if you see it. And this is the shirt which I'm wearing is extra small, but it is little tight for me, tight in the sense at the arm side, but I'm okay with it because it's a very stretchable, I'm fine with it. And this one is a green which I got it, it's a small size, sorry, it is a medium size. I really want to wear little free one because I already bought one tight one, because white tight and black tight t-shirts are something where you can like style like anything. So that's the reason I got it little tight, which is right now I'm wearing. And this one is a medium size which I am going to wear somewhere at some point. I'm not sure where I'll wear, but definitely these are the two shirts. And my friend got it the same shirts only but different sizes. Let me show you that also, as because it has to be taken because of all the armies people who are in the store. I can see many armies in the Hyderabad. By the way, I'll let you know, I bought this all the CK collections in Orbit Mall store, which is a CK store. And I went for GVK, I went for Forum Mall, I went one more another CK. They told me that the collection has came in Orbit Mall's CK store. I ran like anything. Literally, I supposed to be there at by 11:30 or 12 o'clock. I was there around 2:30. Just imagine how many stores I have roamed around. And by the time when I went, many t-shirts, like almost like 2 3 t-shirts are out of stock, and literally there is one size which is a large size, which I can't fit in that. It will be very loose for me and my friends, so that's the reason we really want to skip on that. So that is why we got these two, and her sizes are small. So these are the two shirts she got it. And I'll tell you what is the cost of these t-shirts. And these t-shirts costed us around 3,999. So these two 3,999 and these two 3,999, so it's almost like more than 18K. So I got a tote bag with that. So I will show you the tote bag, as because my friend want a small bag, so I requested them to give me a small bag instead of big bag, because this bag has also has written as CK with Jungkook. So might be she will do something with this. I will do a DIY definitely with this bags. And this is the tote bag which I got it. And it is also mentioned with CK with Jungkook. It's a front end bag. It's an open tote bag. It's like thaila. कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just like a thaila. Yeah, it feels like keep some books or some clothes or some groceries, whatever it is. Mostly he's a cook. He's a best cook. So definitely we'll use for groceries. I'm not sure, but this is really mostly like very. The cloth is so good. Actually, I would say that it is so stiff and so strong, and there is a hanging for this so that you can. And it is not too big, not too short. Also, it will be very medium size. Like you can hold it up. I think this is a very easy bag where you, whenever you're traveling anywhere, like you're doing a lot of shopping and you need to carry a bags in hand, it get pain. So definitely this type of bags will really helpful. And this is the bag. And you know what? This CK bag, they also mention a price tag for this. Seriously, and I mean, if they are mentioning the price tag, means they are selling it after the collection. It's my question mark question. Wow. So this is also around 3,999. If I really want to show it, you can believe it because it has mentioned the tag. I don't know. I don't know what they are planning, what they are like thinking about it. I really don't know. My friends, one is staying in Gujarat and one is staying in Bangalore. I got it for them also, but I went on the second day. So this collection I got it on first day, and this collection went on second day. When I went on second day, everything is finished. Literally every single piece has been finished, especially the women wear. I am telling you, there is no single piece of women wear. Only I have found women's wear is jeans, which is also denim blue jeans, not even the brown and red shade, which Jungkook is all actually wearing in the ad. So very sad thing. But there was a jacket, black leather jacket. I was very tempted to buy that, but the price of the jacket is 36,000.
Wow.
36,000. I can get a BTS concert ticket for that anywhere in the country. Definitely. I really want to say, JK, what are you doing, man? And you know what is the denim jeans cost? 13,000. 12,999, like 13,000. I can get a floor one or floor two or floor three ticket of BTS concert ticket, obviously. So I felt like I was so tempted. I literally was like was taking my card and trying to swipe it, but then I stopped myself. No, I have to go to BTS concert ticket. When it is getting released this vlog, there will be 2 days left for me to book a Singapore ticket. I'll let you know how I have booked that one in the another vlog. So I was thinking like not to buy it. I resist myself not to buy the jeans. Seriously, it was so beautiful, freaking so beautiful, so nice, and it has mentioned Jungkook signature behind the pocket. And you know what? In CK, I have noticed that in the pants, especially jeans pants, denim pants, or jackets, If your size is medium, you have to take small. If your size is small, you have to take extra small. If your size is extra small, there is no other option, you have to take it extra small, because my size of the pant is 28. I was trying to wear 24, and it is was still little loose for me at the waist. So I felt like, why need to buy it if it is very loose? I need to keep a belt and everything tie up. So I don't know. I think CK people, especially Jungkook, if you are watching this, I know you are not watching my vlog, but definitely if it is watching, please make sure to put some sizes if it is going 1 inch below. So definitely it should have a 22 also, because some people are there who are very lean. They like look forward and keep their body very lean. Definitely they have to get fit. If you do stitching and everything, it doesn't look good. So I have spoken so much. I'm literally talking too much right now. So let me show you this. First I'll show you the shirts which I have got. These are all the shirts, and is especially a men's collection. So they are okay to wear a men's collection, my two of another armies. I'm seriously how much they are into this thing actually to take this product. So let me show you one more men collection. Before opening this bigger bag, I'll show you the smaller one, which of my friend from Gujarat, she has ordered this, and it is one of the t-shirt, men's t-shirt. By the way, even though if you buy in a CK men's t-shirt, you can wear it. It's not a big deal because I wear very much. This is the t-shirt she got it, and look at the size. This is the t-shirt, and it has mentioned CKJK EST 2026. Wow. And this is the gray color. There is a white color also in this. So she got it gray, as because she told me that she's very messy person and she might spill something on white t-shirt, so that's why she planned to take this one. And it is a larger size, as because she is a medium size, I think she want to go one higher. I'm not sure why she needed that much large size, but anyway, some people like to wear very freely, like very comfortably, very airy and everything. So it's up to her because she's buying it. So she bought this t-shirt, and this t-shirt costed around 4,999, like almost like 5,000. Like if you can see it, it's a 5,001 t-shirt of menswear, and the ladies one is a 3,999, which is a 4,001 t-shirt. And it is very hard for me to send these packages to them, because why, I will tell you. They want this bag also, and I'm not sure that much big box I couldn't find to fit that one and send it for them. I have to do something, because I can't fold these bags and send it, because the actually signature is in the middle. So if I fold it, it will go out. So definitely I need to find it out some other way to send them. So this is the one t-shirt which costed 5,000. So let me show you this one. So let me show you this one. This is also totally a menswear, and this girl is also totally into JK. So I love to call like that, JK. Usually I call Cookie. I call him like a Cookie. So no, it's a JK. So these are all the clothes she got it, and everything is a menswear. So the first one I'll show you, the t-shirt which I showed earlier, the same similar t-shirt she got it, CKJK, with a size of large. Even she got it large, and this girl is also got it large. So definitely I don't want to show it again because I already showed it. So now I'll show you one more one. This is I really liked it. It's a full hands. You'll get here at the all designs, and you'll get a CK Jungkook. But the thing is that I couldn't find my size in this. It's a medium size. I think medium will be also very loose for her, but she's fine with it because she need on her birthday the CK collection. She want to wear it. कुछ कुछ एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है कभी कभार. When you really want it, you have to adjust it. So this is the literally a t-shirt. There is a single hand design. I don't know why Jungkook has designed only single hand. एक हाथ पे डिजाइन है, एक हाथ पे डिजाइन नहीं है. Why this? Why, I don't know. It's idea, or I don't know, because you get on hand this like this. CK Jungkook again. EST 2026, and it's a Korean name. So this is also costed around 5999, is actually a 6000 full hands, and the size is medium. अगर इसमें मेरे को if I find it extra small or small, I would have buy it, and it is very thick. I don't know. You can wear all these clothes. I'm telling you today. It's a summer time. I'm wearing this. I'm sweating from inside because it's like mixed jersey cloth type. I don't know because it's so stretchable, so it's too much hot inside. But it is very comfort, like very like soft comfort. It's not like uh chupta hua nahi hai. It's like not like sticky pokey. So definitely it's this is the costed around 6000. Is one more shirt she got it, the gray color which I said earlier. This shirt, you have white in this, and also you have a green in it. So military. I don't know. All these are gray, white, military green. Only the collection of JKs in CK. They have only three colors: white, green, and gray, and black. Sorry, and black. And this is the T-shirt she got it, and it's the same actually, but same color of print, CKJK. So this shirt is costed around 5000. So it is 5000. So there is one more. She got it. It's a sleeveless, like something like this sleeveless one, and there is no name of the Jungkook or CK's logo, I thought, but it is at the bottom, like it is in the bottom. So this is the sleeveless, and this is the size of medium, and I think it will fit for her because it is fitting me properly. Actually, it's little loose at the arm side, but I'm fine with it. Like if you wear a sports brand, you wear it, it looks good actually. I think I should have buy it in white color. There was in the small size. मैंने मिस्टेक किया, मगर जब मैंने प्राइस देखा, when I saw the price is 2500, I felt like, oh god, if I buy a pant, if I buy a again this one, it costs me around 15,000. Again, I'll get a tote bag. So I don't want tote bag. I want poster, but somehow I have to end up buying in different way. So I didn't get a poster. So this is the one which she got it. So this is all the CK Jungkook's collection, especially designed by him, everything. So I feel like every army all over the universe, all over the world has got every single piece of Jungkook's collection, because as I see that it has been sold out like within half an hour in some countries, within 3 to 4 minutes in some countries. I don't know exactly. When I went to the store, it was totally out. Half of the products are out. So luckily we got this. We didn't get a chance to get a jacket because there was big size, large size, which is not going to fit for me, and it is very expensive for me, especially because I am planning for a BTS tour concert ticket. So definitely I need to cut down my all the shoppings. That is the reason I haven't done. So this is the collection. Please do comment me what you have bought for from all this CK collection, or you got any another new thing, or did you got it or you are not got it. Please comment me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow. Do follow my Instagram page and subscribe my channel. So until the next time, this is Nadia signing off.